Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to downgrade from Windows 11 back to Windows 10 within a 10-day window. If you've been using Windows 11 for more than 10 days, then I'm sorry, but this tutorial is not for you. Now, I upgraded to Windows 11 just today. I don't want to go back. I might get Windows 11 in the future, but for now what I'm going to do is I'm going to downgrade. So basically, what we're going to do is search. You search for both back to Windows 10. And it should autofill for you. So you might see that. If this version isn't working, try going back to Windows 10. So you click go back. Getting things ready. Why? So it's going to ask you, why are you going back? So you can select my apps or devices don't work on Windows 11, Windows 10 CD, Windows 10 is fast, Windows 10 is more reliable. For another reason, I miss it. Next, check for updates. No thanks. You can check for updates, but I'm just gonna do no thanks. What you need to know. So remember, after going back, you'll have to reinstall some apps and programs. Now, thankfully, I have some backups from some of my files. So yes, I am prepared. Don't get locked out. If you use a password to sign into Windows 10, make sure you know it. You won't be able to sign without it. Next, thanks for trying to Windows 11. Go back to Windows 10. Go. You should be back in Windows 10. Enter your PIN. There we go. You're back in Windows 10. That's it for this tutorial. See ya.